Hi guys, happy new year to you all. How are you doing? Kindly let me know how you celebrated your Christmas and New Year. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's actually lovely to actually see all your beautiful faces. I mean, I'm not going to be seeing your faces, but I'm sure I'm going to see it from your comments. So kindly drop a comment here for me. Just type Happy New Year. All right, let's dive right into the video. And please, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you. But if you are yet to subscribe, kindly do so. Do well to support us this year, and I am sure to bring you amazing content. Okay, so I'm just officially starting this vlog. I don't know how long it's gonna be, as at the time I'm filming this clip I don't even know the title of this video. But yes, let's hope it comes your way and you love it. As you can see, I am all ready to go to work. I'll catch you along the day, hopefully. Hi guys, so I'm actually in the car. I'm about to drive off. I just hope today is gonna be a good day. I have a couple of patients to see today and then do more of the admin part. Yeah, so I hope it's gonna be a good day. I'll see you guys in the course of the day, hopefully.
Underneath the city lights, we dreams take flight. We chase the shadows, dance until the morning light. In the heart of the night, our spirit shines so bright. We find our rhythm in this life, we ignite, ignite. Oh, we shine, we shine. Oh yeah.
So guys, because it's Friday, I needed to write the name of every staff working next week on the board so it is easy to do allocation. I know I promised you guys I'll do a full day vlog, but I'm sorry I couldn't. It was very stressful. I was more like just me alone in the office. Anyway, I have come back home and it's time to chill. It's weekend, guys, and I'm so happy. This is me taking off everything that concerns me, the bag and baggages, because it's about to be lit. Hi guys, let me know how your day went. Okay guys, so I've just come back from work. I'm super tired. As you can see, I went to work together, but I came back shattered. So I'm just gonna go up and freshen up and I'll catch you guys later. Guys, I'm super tired, but I have some soup in the freezer which I want to take out for us to use as dinner tonight. So yeah, that's it.
Underneath the city lights, we dreams take flight. We chase the shadows, dance until the morning light. In the heart of the night, our spirit shines so bright. We find our rhythm in this life, we ignite, ignite. Oh, we shine, we shine. Oh yeah, through the night, so divine. Feel complete, let it bind. Say we unwind, unwind. Neon signs and flashing lights, our dreams take flight. We chase the shadows, dance until the morning light. In the heart of the night, our spirit shines so bright. We find our rhythm in this life, we ignite, ignite, ignite. Shine, shine, shine.
Is it one after the other? I should put this one.
No, let's see how it works.
So we are unboxing lights. What light is this? Content creation devices. This year is what? For whatever.
LED professional photography field lights.
I got this recommendation from a YouTube video, but I don't understand this one.
Let me see.
It has like small this thing.
Underneath the city lights, when dreams take flight. We chase the shadows, dance until the morning light. In the heart of the night, our spirit shines so bright. We find our rhythm in this life. We ignite, ignite. Oh, we shine. Oh yeah, through the night, so divine. Feel the beat, let it burn.
That's what we decided. So this is our lights. Why am I so happy?
In the heart of the night, our spirit shines so bright. We find our rhythm in this life. We ignite, ignite, ignite. Shine, shine, shine. Through the night, so divine. Feel the beat, let it bind. In the city, we unwind, unwind, unwind. Neon signs and flashing lights, we're feeling right, feeling right. Every step a heartbeat burning up the night, up the night. Impulse of the crowd, we're lost and found, lost and found. This rhythm, we are bound, 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 bound.
That's blue, right? Then where will this one now stay if there is a tripod? Because this one is easy
If we
for.
stay together.
It will stay together. I have kneel down as if you're recording at the same level with this. Let's see. Do you get what I mean? It's like use cinematic to record. Let's see. And the distance, is it okay?
Okay.
But I think I need extra bulb. I think this one is supposed to. How is it looking?
Okay.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Every step a heartbeat burning up the night. Pulse of the crowd, we're lost and found, lost and found. This rhythm, we are bound, 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 bound. In the night we're wild and free, living dreams, just you and me. Feel the magic, can't you see? This is where we're meant to be, 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 be.
Guys, over the week I made meat pie filling. So because today is Saturday, I'm just going to be making the meat pie itself. It's been a while I did this, so I've decided to hop on it again, and this time around I'm going to be using my food processor to actually do it, because I think it's much easier to mix it using that than using the hand. And by the time I was done, trust me, I was thankful because I used it. It was very easy and seamless.
Underneath the city lights, when dreams take flight, we chase the shadows, dance until the morning light. In the heart of the night, our spirit shines so bright. We find our rhythm in this life. We ignite, ignite. Oh, we shine. Oh yeah, through the night, so divine. Feel the beat, let it burn. Say we unwind, unwind. Neon signs and flashing lights, where dreams take flight. We chase the shadows, dance until the morning light. In the heart of the night, our spirit shines so bright. We find our rhythm in this life. We ignite, ignite, ignite. Shine, shine, shine. Through the night, so divine.
Good morning, guys. It's Sunday morning. Today is the first Sunday in the month of January, and it's Thanksgiving Sunday. So I was ready to just sort out a cloth I could wear. To be fair, I didn't even plan it, but yeah, I'm just here trying to figure out what to wear. At this point, can be very confusing. I don't know how you guys do it, but with this many clothes in my wardrobe, I still feel like I don't have any clothes. But yes, I was able to pick out this blue gown, and I'm going to be pairing it with a white shoe. Of course, the gown is ready, but my hair is not going to be left out, so I'm just gonna pick out this wig. This is a burgundy colored wig, and subscribe.